Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over the cryptocurrency market. But first, let's go over here. Did you buy that dip S&P traders on that 40 moving average? I bet the bears kept you out from it. Probably, maybe even sold. Look at that. That would have been nice. Got a little ops right there. I think it's okay for the time being on the S&P 500 as long as it doesn't break down from there. I don't think it's going to though, guys. We shall see. We shall see. A lot of momentum behind this S&P 500, guys. Since what is that? October 22. A lot of momentum, serious base right there. Um, you know, so let's go over Bitcoin on the daily chart. Let me go here, daily chart. Yeah, here we go, daily chart. Spiked up pretty good, guys. And I'm looking for, it's going to kind of depend on what's going on here. Like, I think that if it gets over the 32K resistance, you're going to see 34K maybe on this leg, possibly going into September. Possibly going into September. It depends on how many people are going to go into Bitcoin. They see that. And I keep that narrative going. ETFs are coming. It's going to pump Bitcoin. And then the whatever other narrative they have going with that too. So 2 hour time, 4 hour time frame. Here's a 4 hour time frame. Checking that out. Pretty nice wave there. Probably hang out in this area for a little while. Fair value gap bounced right off of it. I think a good entry on Bitcoin in this area is 29.7-ish. You might get 27, 29.6 possibly. Maybe. Have to see, check that out. I got some stuff down there. Come over here to a 15-minute chart. You can see that Bitcoin is going pretty good right there, guys. So Bitcoin looks pretty good, guys. So a lot of hesitation, speculation going on with Bitcoin. So it's bullish right now, guys. It's bullish. What was I going to do? I think I was going to go over a couple coins with you. Let's check out HBAR. HBAR. See what it has going on here. HBAR on a 3-day chart. HBAR has a pump coming, it looks like. Boom, up to the box, maybe 8 cents. 3-wave swing. It's got a high right here, back down, and then another high. Probably right up to that 200 period moving average is where I'd be looking for an exit. Okay. On HBAR. Okay. It's not in accumulation mode, guys. HBAR, 8 cents. Okay, right there. 200. Oh, these assets are below the 200 moving average, guys. 200 SMA. Okay, it's up over that on the daily. Just check it on the daily. Just trying to got over it, trying to get over it. You know, it's probably in a. I haven't looked at it real close, but I imagine that HBAR is kind of like Solana. It's in a connector wave right here. This connector wave. Let's see. No, I gotta. Let me put on the RSI. See what we got going on with HBAR. Okay. Relative strength index, stochastics. Check those two out. It doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad, but definitely, if that's okay, here you go, right here. 1, 2. If you call that a 3, this needs to start doing a shot out of there pretty aggressively, guys. Third waves don't screw around. Okay. If it gets up here, 200 moving, it doesn't have the 200 on the weekly. You have a little bit right there, but that's not going to count really. But in that area. So check it on the this right here. So if you see, it's onto something new, right? Okay. Very it's doing something new. So it's either going into a new wave pattern or it's connecting this wave up here. Okay. This wave right here, and is connecting. This wave is connecting this wave. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like it came down in 5, and it's connecting that wave right there. Your bullish option is that this is 1, 2, and maybe 1, 2, and then it should rip into 3. Okay. Those that are followers of my channel, you'd probably know my position on that. Okay. Solana. Let's go over Solana. Still have the bearish divergence on the weekly. Be expected. I mentioned that before. If you don't get another high, you probably have another connector wave right here with the Solana, guys. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly. Connector wave up there. B. Go back down to daily. Or not daily. Let's go to a 2-day chart. Get a little more time. Right here. Probably have a push right here. And right to the 200 moving averages. And potentially what's going to come next on Solana. Check the RSI on the 2-day. It took that out. Let's see the daily. That's good. It still didn't take that out on the daily. Came down pretty deep on this section right here, which is okay. Probably means it's going to pump right there, right in this section. But I made mention of this before. From this point to this point to that point, you have divergence. So the next trend for Solana on this daily is down this way. From this back, it'll probably pop back up and then back down that way, guys, on Solana. So I know my videos aren't giving all these freaking super moon boy counts anymore, so nobody wants to watch it. Rune coin. I'm asked about that. Rune coin is very simple. This one's probably okay. This is not the whole chart on Rune, so it goes way, way down here. It starts at almost 0, guys, or something like that. But Rune's very simple. Okay. You can see it's pumping right now with Bitcoin. It's doing a pretty good, well, a pretty good pump. I mean, come on. I mean, that's like, it's trying 10%, but it's going to probably pump up again with Bitcoin. So you come over here to Bitcoin, right? Here's what, August, September, right? Here's Rune coin. And there you go. Load up, short for a massive short. You're looking at that right there. I mean, 60%. How long is that going to take? Not very long. That's probably just going to continue to go down, guys. So Rune coin, pretty good short. So everything's unfolding like I think that it's probably going to unfold, guys. For those that are following my channel, understand that Kaspa coin is on the daily. It has targets up there, guys. It can still hit it. I thought I had targets on Kaspa coin. 7 cents up there too. I think, yeah, 7 cents. 12-hour chart. Oh, wait, I don't have it turned on. That's why. Let me go back to a daily, guys. Yeah, it does look like it's just correcting that section. Okay. Still bullish, you know, came down to 21. It hits 21 and rips out of there. You can see 6 cents on Kaspa potentially. You know, the way I see it about this, guys, like, especially right now, what's going on with crypto. Okay. If you entered in here, you know, it's a massive move already, you know, like 10x, yeah, 10x move, 11x move right there, guys. So, you know, that's really good. That's really, really good. I would say majority of people are wishing for a 10x right now. Okay. Nakamoto Games hanging on pretty good still, huh? It's still in a topping pattern, guys. Still in a topping pattern. Yeah, it's in a topping pattern. So you might see a thrust to, let's see here. Yeah, it's up there, 53.57 cents. Be an exit. Be an exit. What else can we go over? Quant, sideways for a while, guys. Nobody's interested in quant. Bounce, down, lower high, down, lower high, down, 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 until waiting for the bull market to come back. Let's see. Exited that synthetics trade just because I exited in profits. You know, it's still, you still have a shot to make this if you're in it, you know, that's like 15%. But just the weakness behind it compared to Bitcoin, guys, on some of these alts, you know. So I exited in profits. It was like 40% profit that I got on that one, and just said, hey, let me stick with Bitcoin for the time being. You know, one of the reasons is because I'll throw massive bags into Bitcoin. I would be careful with stuff like this, guys, doing massive bags on some altcoins, and lower the leverage on the altcoins too. So, what else is there to check out that's exciting? Let's see, Ethereum. You know, it's projected to go sideways, guys. It's Ethereum. Pay attention to Ethereum, guys. You know, like when Bitcoin is up here, back up here, makes a high beyond that. And if you just see Ethereum like right over here, doesn't break that or break that, I think you should know what to do with Ethereum, guys. All right. Well, Flow, get rid of Flow if you're in that. Get rid of Flow, guys, if you're in that. Um, don't hold that coin to zero. Just saying, okay? Um, there's not much more excitement going on. The stable coins, guys, they're starting to suss out that news about CC is still going around, talking about it being a black box with USDT. I'm starting to not like that guy. I don't know what his agenda is. Um, I just know this. He's got a lot invested in crypto and he's going to cover his butt. So take that for what it is, guys. So you know what I'm saying? Um, out here in crypto, man, it is a blood sport. It's a blood sport, guys. Don't be a moon boy. Don't be a bear boy. Be an apex predator. All right. So that's what you need to be in this area. Oh, the graph. Graph's popular. It's a good coin too, actually. It's looking like this was a flat for graph right here, guys. Probably this is probably the connector wave on graph somehow, or maybe no, maybe right here. Here's your flat, massive flat. That thing ripped. Massive, massive flat. Is that gonna just be it right there? 3.618. Yeah, crypto's hit 3.618, guys. So it's looking like the graph did that. So it's holding on stronger than a lot of the other ones, that's for sure. So it's actually a decent coin. You know, there's decent coins out there, guys, but no matter how good they are fundamentally, when they're in a downtrend, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Kusama, go over Kusama. Um, this one right here is going to be like render coin, or not render, rune coin. Looks like it's going to have a bounce. Okay. Boom. Into September. So go back to Bitcoin, right? Up. What's September? Going in maybe October. Going up, meager bounce, September, October, pink box, what I'm looking for right here. Everybody's accumulating. I'll be shorting Kusama. If CZ doesn't do anything with the stablecoin market, because far as I can tell, you need USDT for most. Well, you can use Bitcoin too. You can use Bitcoin too when you want to trade. But this is the area too. It could pop up there for Kusama, guys. And my projected targets for it is $3 to $5. It's going to take it a while to get down there, but I would just do the meat of the move on these short trades, guys. You know, get it going through the sideways is gets frustrating on a short. So just get the meat of the move and move on. Find another one that has like a good move if you can, or join my Discord and what cutting edge cryptocurrency market analysis. Consider joining my Discord, and I'll have available shorts, for you for the most part. Be putting them on there. A lot of people are pretty excited about that, asking some questions. Do we need to go now? I would refrain from getting a little trigger happy on the shorts quite yet, guys, because Bitcoin is going to be kind of trending up a little bit. Okay. BCH. Forgot the abs guy. The abs guy. He's a BCH. It's going to take over the market. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is one you can short. You have to keep funds back. Okay. So what I mean by that is it bounces. This thing like freaking bounces a lot. And so you have to keep funds back. But I'm looking at, what did it get up to? 248. It tagged my target. 248. I missed it. I'm not ready to short this bad boy, not with Bitcoin going up, because this thing could bounce back up to $300 potentially. But 2-day chart, let's look at the 1-day chart. The 9 is already crossed through the 40-period moving average. And usually on the daily, you come back to the history of these assets and you see the 9 cross through there, kind of like this example right in here, guys. You see the 9 cross through the 40. You can see what happens. 9 through the 40. 9 through the 40. Okay. That's usually, and then just the opposite, like here's Bitcoin on the daily. Okay. You see the 9, it's going to work its way up to the 21. And if you see this 9 go through the 40, and if it's going to curl back around, stay above that 40, you can see what happens next. So this right here, if you miss this, okay, you have another opportunity right over here. More than likely, guys. Going to take like, it looks like maybe it looks like, according to this time, let's say 24 to 11, like 2 weeks. 2 weeks potentially, guys. There could be another one of these. Boom, right over here. Okay. But after this is all said and done with Bitcoin, right? I'll show you what I'm doing with Bitcoin, guys. You want to know how I'm going to set up the shorts. Okay. So I'm not shorting right now. It's not really, I mean, it technically would be short season, but let the coins go up, let them go back up, and then boom, they're going to go down. Okay. But you can see right through here, like October, that time on the weekly chart. Okay. It's going to go through a correction, kind of like this, right? So Bitcoin and go up, right? Put your money in Bitcoin. You make your money like right here in Bitcoin. However you want to do that, trade that, buy spot, whatever you want to do. Get in some, if you're familiar with it, leverage trade, if you're, experienced with it, right? Okay. And then in this section right here, Bitcoin's going to do a correction, kind of like this, right? What do you think the altcoins are going to do? That'll be your spot. So you wait for Bitcoin to do its correction. Over here, you're just kind of doing some short trades. While you wait for, instead of doing it on Bitcoin, go over, do it to the alts, like a Rune token. And think about that, guys. Nobody's going to buy Rune. They're not even paying attention to Rune. They'll pay attention to Bitcoin, and you have a lot more volatility in with Bitcoin, guys. So you just go over to Rune and do that. Okay. Just make sure you get your money out, things like that on the coin. So that's how I do it. And then what's going to happen next, right? So from, let's say, October to December, right? And you close your shorts and boom, you go over to Bitcoin again, right? So you're going to make money on the way up. You're going to make money on the way down. You're going to make money on the way up. And then you still make money on the way down. Okay, guys? That's how it goes. Have a strategy. Now, is it going to go according to my plan? I mean, I don't know. I got to take what the market gives me. I mean, maybe the market's going to go like this, and then Bitcoin decides to go down from there. I don't know. But so far, the algorithms are kind of giving me a little bit of a heads up. They're not always right, but they're more right than people are. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor. Drop a like. Hit the subscribe button. Peace.